got you, sis. Pound it. Alright.
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Crossing that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now, but you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that note. I'm about to drop in a few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
For nothing, no. On the ground, you. But I don't do this shit for nothing. No, no, no. Not at all. You.
This bitch like I never left. Stand for some shit that you never read. Passing through stages in life, through the ups and the downs, like it's all just another test. Live by the rules like a fucking ref. I got respect in 100 sets. Too many chains need another chest. Playing no games if it wasn't chess. Come from that cloth that you couldn't stretch. Come from that circle you couldn't text. Heavily pressured and under stress, even though niggas ain't sure we was a mess. Honest attempt playing to the left. Judge a young nigga by their dress. Left is no option.
I know it's freaking 3 o'clock in the morning and we just now on the paint grind, really, and
I'm pulling the fuck out this candy. Crazy how it can be so much alike but so much different.
I know, right? It's crazy because we definitely have this in common. Like, I love me some art crafts, some DIY, some drawing, some everything. Anything creative, I'm with it. So look, guys, my new purse. So cute. I'm gonna give y'all the story time. And oh, that was crazy. Whoa. Yep, that's how he realized how he had one too many. This is my finish. It's not finished yet, but it's gonna be finished. And this is hers. Drop it on my pillow. Hers is so cute too. So it's litty, y'all. It's lit. If y'all haven't already, go follow my Instagram, Cherill Nicole. It will be linked in the description down below. Like, comment, subscribe to this video because I know y'all enjoy this lit ass week in New York. It's actually 2 weeks worth of videos uploading or uploaded. So if you haven't already, check out all those videos. And yeah, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get back on the YouTube train.
hustling.